Hey, it's Jose here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy a theme for your Shopify store. Okay, so I'm in my demo store. This is my demo Shopify store, and all you need to do is log into your own Shopify store, and here in the dashboard, you'll notice on the left-hand side navigation a section called Online Store. All you do is you click on that, and you'll see all these subsections load. And you'll notice that the first section is themes. So we're actually on the themes page, which is exactly where we want to be. So all you do on this page is you scroll down until you see the Shopify theme store section. And here you just click on the button that says visit theme store. This is the easiest way to do this because this way you're already logged into your store, which means that when you buy a theme, it's already connected. Otherwise, if you visit this page directly and then you buy a theme, you then have to log in and basically let Shopify know who you are and what your store is, so Shopify knows where to add that theme. Okay, so this is the page where you'll see all the themes. There are a lot of themes actually. And because design is always an important part of any website or blog or online store, it's worth you spending some time here going through all these themes. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this one, for example. So let's say that you find one that you like. All you do is you click on the theme. And this is a really cool feature. You can preview the theme on your store to see exactly what it would look like. Now, a lot of the themes come with various styles, which is again, very, very cool. You can click on these icons and see the different styles, and you can see how the styles are actually really, really good. Now, I particularly like this one, the text style. Yeah, I actually really like that. So you can click on the preview in your store, and this is definitely something that I recommend doing, and that's going to load a page here, which is going to be essentially your store, but with that theme installed. Okay, so it's now ready for preview. So I'm going to click on this, and that should now load my store with that theme. So obviously the theme hasn't been customized in any way, but this is the theme itself. This is the template, and obviously I would add my own images to all these sections, and I'd be good to go with a really nice looking design. Okay, so once you preview the theme on your store and you think this is great, you can click on Buy Theme. There's a button here on the bottom right of your screen. I'm not actually sure whether you can see this on this video, but it's at the very bottom. And there's also a button that says Customize Theme. So you can even customize the preview theme and add all the tweaks that you would add anyway once you bought the theme, just to see what it looks like. But if you're good with the theme and you like the way it looks, and you know, of course, that you're gonna have to spend just a little bit of time customizing it, then you can just buy the theme when you're ready. And all you do here is, as I say, you'll see 3 buttons on the bottom right of your screen, and one of them is Buy Theme. You click on that, and then you follow the instructions on your screen. I'm not going to do that, obviously, because I don't want to buy this theme. This is my demo store, so the last thing I want to do is buy a theme that I'm never going to use. So you just click on the Buy Theme. As I said at the beginning, make sure you'd already logged into your account, and that will make the process a lot easier. And that's it. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. While you're here, please subscribe to the channel, and that way you can get updates to all these videos and all these tips as I publish them. Okay, so take it easy until then, and I'll catch you in the next video.